Sentiment analysis, a sophisticated sub-discipline within the expansive realm of natural language processing, NLP, involves intricate computational processes to discern and categorize nuanced emotional tones within textual data. As digital information sources burgeon, the evolution of sentiment analysis becomes integral, demanding advanced tools for extracting insights from diverse sentiments expressed in social media, reviews, news, and customer feedback. In the contemporary digital landscape, sentiment analysis emerges as a linchpin tool. Its applications span deciphering customer satisfaction trends to gauging public opinion during critical events, underlining its significance in shaping strategic decisions across diverse domains such as business, marketing, finance, and social sciences. Remember to show us your support by subscribing and liking this video. Mechanisms of sentiment analysis. 1. Text preprocessing. The foundational journey commences with meticulous text preprocessing. This intricate phase involves tokenization, stemming, and the surgical removal of stop words, collectively refining raw textual data into a structured and analyzable format. Further considerations delve into advanced techniques like entity recognition and part-of-speech tagging for richer semantic understanding. 2. Feature extraction. The sophistication of sentiment analysis lies in its ability to extract relevant features from text. Techniques ranging from basic word frequency to advanced methodologies like word embeddings and syntactic parsing play a pivotal role in capturing intricate patterns within the data. Exploration extends to semantic features, including sentiment-bearing phrases and contextually relevant language constructs. 3. Sentiment classification. At the epicenter of sentiment analysis lies the art of training models for precise sentiment classification. Beyond traditional machine learning models, deep learning architectures such as recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformer-based models like BERT take center stage. The incorporation of transfer learning and ensemble techniques further refines the classification process. Diverse applications of sentiment analysis. Business and marketing. Sentiment analysis serves as a compass for businesses, offering insights into consumer opinions, enabling agile strategy adjustments, and fostering an environment of continual improvement. In-depth explorations encompass predictive analytics for market trends and sentiment-driven product development. Social media monitoring. Real-time sentiment analysis on social media platforms aids in monitoring public opinion, providing valuable data during marketing campaigns, product launches, and crises for timely and informed responses. Advanced applications involve sentiment propagation analysis to understand how sentiments evolve over networks. Financial markets. The financial sector leverages sentiment analysis to distill insights from a plethora of textual data sources, empowering traders and investors to make data-driven decisions in the dynamic landscape of financial markets. This includes sentiment-driven algorithmic trading and real-time risk assessment. Customer support. In the realm of customer support, sentiment analysis streamlines query categorization based on sentiment, expediting issue resolution and elevating overall customer experience. In-depth considerations delve into sentiment-based personalized support and sentiment-aware chatbot interactions. Navigating challenges and envisioning the future. 1. Contextual understanding. Despite advancements, grasping the intricacies of context and the subtleties of sarcasm within textual data presents persistent challenges. Explorations involve contextual embeddings, discourse analysis, and sentiment lexicons tailored to specific domains for more nuanced understanding. 2. Multilingual sentiment analysis. As globalization propels businesses into diverse linguistic landscapes, the imperative for sentiment analysis in multiple languages intensifies. Ongoing research endeavors focus on developing models proficient in accurately analyzing sentiments across linguistic diversities, exploring language-specific sentiment nuances. 3. Emotion recognition. Beyond the traditional triad of sentiments, future advancements may delve into recognizing and differentiating specific emotions, paving the way for a more nuanced understanding of textual data. Explorations involve effective computing, incorporating facial expression analysis and emotion-aware natural language understanding. Advanced considerations in sentiment analysis. Aspect-based sentiment analysis. Refining sentiment analysis involves a granular examination of specific aspects within the text. Aspect-based sentiment analysis dissects opinions related to distinct facets, allowing for a more nuanced understanding of sentiment in multifaceted content such as product reviews or news articles. Advanced considerations involve dynamic aspect extraction and sentiment dynamics over multiple aspects. Domain-specific sentiment analysis. Tailoring sentiment analysis models to specific domains enhances accuracy. Industry-specific nuances in language and sentiment expression are better captured when the model is fine-tuned to the intricacies of the domain, ensuring more relevant and precise analyses. Domain adaptation techniques and continual learning approaches further refine domain-specific sentiment understanding. Deep learning architectures. Recent trends in sentiment analysis lean toward leveraging more sophisticated deep learning architectures. Transformer models, exemplified by BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, have demonstrated remarkable capabilities in capturing contextual information, raising the bar for sentiment analysis precision. Continued research explores model interpretability and the integration of attention mechanisms for more insightful analyses. Ethical considerations and bias in sentiment analysis. Ethical concerns. As sentiment analysis gains prominence, ethical considerations become paramount. Issues such as privacy, consent, and the responsible use of sentiment data necessitate a thoughtful approach to prevent unintended consequences and safeguard user rights. Ethical frameworks involving transparent disclosure and user consent mechanisms are under exploration. Bias mitigation. The potential for bias in sentiment analysis models is a pressing concern. Training data, often reflective of existing biases, can result in skewed analyses. Ongoing efforts focus on developing techniques to mitigate bias, ensuring fair and unbiased sentiment evaluations across diverse demographics. Considerations extend to explainable AI in bias detection and mitigation. Future trajectories in sentiment analysis. Emotionally intelligent systems. The evolution of sentiment analysis paves the way for emotionally intelligent systems capable of not only discerning sentiment but also understanding the subtle nuances of human emotion. This shift promises more accurate and empathetic interactions in various applications, from customer service bots to mental health chatbots. Advancements include effective computing models capable of dynamic emotion recognition. Integration with multimodal data. The future of sentiment analysis extends beyond text to embrace multimodal data, including images, videos, and audio. Integrating these diverse sources promises a richer understanding of sentiment, capturing emotions expressed through various mediums. Considerations involve cross-modal sentiment analysis and the fusion of information from multiple modalities for comprehensive sentiment understanding. Explainable AI in sentiment analysis. Enhancing the transparency of sentiment analysis models is crucial for wider adoption. The integration of explainable AI techniques aims to demystify the decision-making process of these models, making their predictions more understandable and interpretable for end users. Future directions involve the development of interpretable deep learning architectures and user-friendly explanations for complex sentiment analyses. Challenges on the horizon. Real-time analysis. Achieving real-time sentiment analysis on large datasets remains a challenge. The increasing volume and velocity of data generated in real time require robust systems capable of processing and analyzing information promptly. Research focuses on optimizing computational efficiency, parallel processing, and streaming analytics for real-time sentiment insights. Cultural sensitivity. Adapting sentiment analysis models to diverse cultural contexts introduces challenges in understanding context-specific expressions and sentiments. Addressing these intricacies involves continual model adaptation, cross-cultural sentiment lexicon development, and community-driven efforts to ensure universal applicability. Fine-tuning for contextual nuances. Developing models capable of fine-tuning for contextual nuances within specific applications or industries is a growing necessity. This involves understanding the unique linguistic and sentiment characteristics of various contexts, ensuring more accurate and tailored analyses. Fine-tuning mechanisms explore dynamic model adaptation and continual learning from contextual feedback. Sentiment analysis, evolving from its nascent stages to a sophisticated discipline, stands at the forefront of technological innovation. Its far-reaching applications, from shaping business strategies to understanding societal sentiments, underscore its transformative potential. As the journey of sentiment analysis continues, navigating challenges and embracing advancements, its role in our digitally driven world becomes increasingly pivotal. The future promises a landscape where sentiment analysis not only deciphers emotions in textual data but also integrates seamlessly with other modalities, fostering a deeper and more holistic comprehension of the intricate tapestry of human expression. As we stand at the nexus of technology and emotion, the trajectory of sentiment analysis holds the promise of unlocking new dimensions in our understanding of the human experience. Continuous exploration and collaboration across interdisciplinary domains will be essential to harness the full potential of sentiment analysis in shaping a more nuanced, empathetic, and insightful digital future.